I'm Philip Aristidu and I live in a greenbelt site, and I've had the time due to COVID and lockdown to build myself this double garage. It's just taken just over a year. Bit of a DIY enthusiast is my background. I'm not a professional. I'm quite amazed myself that I've managed to do it. It was slow, it had its ups and downs, but I've got there in the end. And the final touches were the garage doors that Doormatic put on for me. The natural wood has really enhanced the location. The garage doors was to be sympathetic to the local area. We're in a slightly forested on one side, greenbelt on the other, and I just wanted something natural to blend in. Their electric motors are Garra doors, and their mechanisms are all Garra door 10 units we've got on there. And they run really smoothly, they do what they say on the tin. All their installers were very polite, they all did their job well. The days they promised they were going to install, they did, and if there was a slight hiccup, they sorted it, and it was resolved as quick as they could. They were getting parts from a manufacturer. They did their best, it just takes time. I'd certainly recommend Doormatic. That's why I'm standing here now doing this. It's something I don't normally do, but their service has been good, and their products have also been good themselves. So as far as the length of time of only having this for a couple of months, they've all worked. Their Wi-Fi controllability works really well. Highly recommend them so far.